Eugene Segovia with EZStudRack. I am overly excited about finally getting to organize this metal building. I'll call it a shop, my man cave, whatever the hell I want to call it. What I'm going to show you today is how I built this frame wall. This particular wall, there's an 8-pack in each section. Between each shelf you need 2 EZStudRacks. An 8-pack gives you 4 pair. So what comes with an EZStudRack? Either you get 8 or 32. If you go to Amazon, 32, you get 32 of these. 8, you get 8. Requires 2 to put a shelf in between it. What's an EZStudRack? It's a shelving system. It's a patented shelving system, by the way. In between each one of these you can put a 3/4 inch piece of plywood or any 1x. When you say 1x, it's a 3/4 inch by whatever length, width the board is. Each EZStudRack is 12 and 11/16 by the width is the width of a 2x4, 1x4. You can use whatever size board you want. Let me show you an example. I've got a 1x4, a 1x5. Home Depot sells 1x5s, and 1x6. See the different widths? Okay. Try this again. You got a 1x4, 1x5, 1x6, 3/4 inch thick. See how a 1x4 fits? A 1x5 you can still use. It just sticks out. A 1x6, and then you can keep going out. You can go out as far as you want. If you want to go a mile out, go a mile out. But the further you go out, the less pressure, less weight it's going to hold. I had some people say that, hey, it's really loose in there. Well, you got to keep in mind, depends on your humidity. This is designed to fit a 3/4 inch piece of board, and I give it a little bit more because you never know, when it's moisture outside, wood likes to expand, it'll fit a little tighter. If you want it to really not wobble like this, I recommend then just stick a popsicle stick in there. Locks it in place. So now it doesn't wobble. Or if you want to stick a penny in there, a dime, a nickel, that'll work too. Okay, so you get gray or white. I'm going to show you on this video how to calculate your frame wall. I actually developed an app, pretty dang cool if you ask me. When I say I developed it, I just typed it into ChatGPT. Hey, can you build this? She said okay. And I'll show you more detail in the video. It's to come, but I measured 74 to 75 inches. Height, I got about 65 inches. Now, I always like putting things above the ground so you can vacuum in there. You don't have critters trying to hide back there and build their little nests or bugs or anything like that, because I like to vacuum, keep everything clean. I raised it 6 inches, 75 wide, 65 high minus 6 inches is 59. Check this out. I got this app. Go to my website. Here, I'll show you on the phone. EZStudRack.com. You go here, and then you go to DIY Expert Advisor, Frame Wall Designer, boom. What was our width? Anywhere between 74 and 75. So I type in 74. I got the wall height. That said 65 minus 6 inches because I took it off the ground. So 59. And then number of columns. What I mean by columns, you got 1, 2, 3 columns. You can have 4, 5, whatever amount of columns you want, but I just chose 3. So let's go in here, type in 3. Update design, and look at this. So it verifies your wall height is 59. Your wall width is 74. Shelf width, it's going to give you in decimal 22.42. What the hell is 22.42? Who cares? I have it round down to the nearest 16th, so it's 22 and 7/16. Horizontal studs, so you're going to need quantity 2, 74 inches long, and then the vertical studs you're going to need 4, 56 inches long. Now, why does it say 56? Well, remember, your stud's 1.5 inches tall right here, minus 1.5 inches equals 56. And then you can hit the print button and print your design. Oh, and also it tells you, it rounds down how many EZStudRacks you're going to need. 24. Each section is 8. 8, 8, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Isn't that cool? I thought that was exciting, at least for me. Now look, let's just say you wanted to. 7/16 is kind of an odd number to measure on a tape measure. So remember, we said we can go anywhere between 74 and 75. So if I go to 75 inches, update design, your shelf width is 22 3/4. I chose to go with that one because it makes it easy measurement for me. I thought it was cool. In fact, I was really excited. I don't know anything about code writing. I was able to ChatGPT it. It put out the code. I tweaked it to make this perfect app. If it was a rocket, it'd be flying to the moon. Hopefully my cells do too. Anyway, enough jibber jabbering. What is EZStudRack? One row deep storage. What happens with one row deep storage? When you use an item, let me pick something here that I'm gonna use. I don't know, these right here, these little hand wipe. I used it, always gonna put it back. If I use this big guy, what am I gonna do? I can't put it over here, I can't put it over there. There's only one spot it's gonna go back in. I'm gonna build a section up here, up here, up here, up here, and stuff that I very seldom use, like this heat gun, this little guy here, maybe this guy, I'm gonna put up high. Requires a ladder to get up to it, but who cares? I don't use it that often. I went very detailed on how I built this one. So keep watching the video if you want to see that part. This one, I just built it. I timed it. I talked a little bit in there, but I just wanted to time how long it took. Took over an hour, 20 minutes, something like that. Really not a long time for what you get. Organizing the shelves, that's going to vary. Depends on what size shelf you need, what items you want to put up. You're going to be playing with it. The beauty about the EZStudRack storage system is you just remove the shelf and put it wherever you want. Oh, another thing, and I point this out in the video. Whenever you build these sections, always make sure you use the boards and they cut them all the same length. This is 22 3/4,
22 3/4, 22 3/4 shelf. This was 22 3/4, 22 3/4, 22 3/4.
In case you're confused as to what I'm talking about, this shelf 22 3/4 wide, and it fits here.
It'll fit here. It'll fit here. It'll fit here. It'll fit here. It'll fit here. It'll fit here.
Here's up close, 22 3/4, 22 3/4, 22 3/4, 22 3/4. This one, I could have gone a little bit wider. As you can see, there's a little more gap in there, but I didn't. I chose 22 3/4 so I can always move the shelves around. I use these gator magnets, look at that, to hold that guy up and to hold that guy up. So this guy here is just a 12-volt Milwaukee blower. I use the paint can lid, store that. Just pops in there and stays. This one pops in there and stays. Huh? Pretty cool? God, I am a genius. Bought all these little magnet hooks from Amazon. I'll leave links. Oh, took advantage of the area between the studs. Look at that. Look at this. Drilled holes for my pins. My brushes, hang it right there, take advantage of the area. Brushes. I bought this, whatchamacallit, at Harbor Freight. I just used the magnets. I'll have links to all these little magnets. This one's a 5 millimeter bolt that goes in there, so I bought 5 millimeter different length bolt. Anyway, take advantage of the wall. EZStudRack, I'm out. What? You watching me? Huh?